I think we would like it to see Cambodia admitted as soon as possible, but we cannot put deadline to this. And I think one of the decisions of the Senate is, as soon as this has been achieved, we would sign the formal agreement in Hanoi. That is the decision of the summit. So, but I think there is no fixed date.
ខ្ញុំចង់ឲ្យគេឆ្លើយតបមុនឲ្យបានជាមុននឹងសម្រេចចិត្តធ្វើអ្វីមួយថាបើសិនសង្គ្រាមផ្ទុះឡើងវិញអ្នកណាជាអ្នកទទួលខុសត្រូវហើយដំណោះស្រាយបែបណាដែលត្រូវប្រកាន់យកនយោបាយឬយោធា
German is volleyball, soccer.